Welcome to Crazy Klowns. I am Birdman. Today I'll be playing this game called Ouchy Bird, which was suggested in the comments of the Trap Adventure video. At first I thought this was just gonna be some fake Flappy Bird. It is not. Basically, ducks, because of course ducks, are flying from the sky, or falling more likely, and you have to click the turbine to make it go in the other direction. I have played this once or twice. It's a very stupid game. Ouch! Ouch? Wait, I didn't even hit you. Why did the duck sound so annoying? I didn't even play this with sound before. Ouch! I'm so sorry. Stupid duck. Ouch! Oh, dear God. Ouch! Poor ducks. Okay, there we go. We got one on the ground. Ouch! Fuck. This is a literal fuck attack right now. Ouch! I'm sorry. There you go. Make it. Ouch! Oh fuck. See, my bust is full, so I don't suck that bad. Quack. Oh, got two on the ground. 3. Didn't have to really move for that one. Fuck, no, that was your fault. Stupid ad. This is like snake version of piano types. This is stupid. I gotta turn the volume off for this. Hate that it makes you actually go through the entire ad. Here we go. Ouch. These ducks are so stupid. It should be Ouchy duck. It's not even different boards. Ouch. Fuck. I hit him twice. Ouch. Ouch. Well, speaking I am the Birdman, I am saving only about like 10 boards in total so far. Why don't these just fly in a different direction? This doesn't even make any sense. They are purposely trying to commit suicide. Fuck. Fucking suicidal boards. Fuck. Oh. Oh, fuck. If you have any suggestions in the comments below for different games, mobile games, console games, for us to live stream or play, let us know in the comments below. Make sure to like and subscribe to the video. I'm gonna keep playing. I just need to make sure I say that. We love... Oh, fuck. We love playing the games you tell us to play. Because we have no other life. Oh, fuck. Stupid ducks. Little fuck a duck right now. Oh. Why do the little ducks and the big ducks sound the same? You think they could have added like maybe one more board in this game? They're not even really trying. I do not know how to play cards. So this is kind of weird. No, I do not understand this commercial whatsoever. This promotes gambling. I'm not sure if they should be doing that. Oh, and I've been trying and got 2 on the ground. Yep. 3. I might beat my high score 4. Oh, stupid duck. Tied it. I really hate these ducks. Oh, dear God. There. Fuck a duck. There you go, little baby duck. Hit the ground safely. Oh, your friend didn't make it. Maybe you guys shouldn't be going near wind turbines. Why wind turbines? That was your fault. No, screw these ducks. Why am I have to save these ducks? I wonder if this is an actual problem, that too many ducks fly near wind turbines and die. Two on the ground. 3 on the ground. 4 on the ground. Of course you fuck it up. Badass duck. There we go. Make it 2 grams safely. Yay! It beat my record. What is that? It's a fucking goose. I hate everything that this game stands for. I hate you over there, waving, fucking watching me. Don't flip me off. Fuck you. Oh, dear God. I have to save ducks. I don't know why this is my responsibility. Stupid ducks. I would love it though if this game is like you purposely hit the ducks. Like that would be fantastic. That would be hilarious. Oh fuck. This is why we can never have ads on our videos. We say fuck way too much. Ooh, barely got that one. Fucking geese. I hate you. Fuck you. You know, now I'm purposely killing them. Fuck this game. Die, you stupid ducks! Okay, yeah, I'll give you ducks one more chance. Especially the baby ducks. What the fuck? You were on the ground. I fucking hate you all. There we go. What the fuck? You know, I have no idea if I'm actually doing good at this game or not. Why are these ads so incredibly loud? And why is a cactus and a cat fighting each other? Those mother cactuses have mustaches. I feel like the point of this game is that cat screws them up, and they all have to go save his ass all the time. Didn't know Final Fantasy has a fucking cat. Fuck you. I'm doing the best I can. Fuck you. Oh my god! Ah. Oh my. Fuck you. There's not even different game modes in this game. It's just saving ducks the entire time, I guess. Fuck you. Woohoo! Why do they make the ducks cry? They just want you, like, when you hit them, like, they make the ducks cry. And it tries to make you feel bad. I'm sorry. I'm not sorry to you. You better land safely. You stupid little duck! There we go. All the ducks make it safely. Are you kidding me? I don't understand who thought of this game. I'm gonna give it one more try. If I'm doing really bad, just let me know in the comments below. I really don't know if this is... Wow. I give it one more try, and of course, I immediately kill a duck. I have been Birdman. If you enjoy this, give us a like. Make sure to subscribe, and if you have any suggestions, let us know in the comments below. This has been Krazy Klowns. Good night.